Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to hide or unhide a worksheet in Excel. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Microsoft Excel and here I have a workbook with two worksheets. For this tutorial I will hide the first worksheet. Hiding is also very simple. I right click on the worksheet and select Hide. This way the worksheet can no longer be found here. But how can I unhide the worksheet again in Excel if I no longer have it here? To do this, I stay in the Home tab and in the Cells group, I click on Format and here we find Visibility and Hide and Unhide. I could also use this menu to hide the currently selected worksheet. In this case, however, we want to unhide the worksheet again and therefore we go to Unhide Sheet. Now all the worksheets that are currently hidden are displayed. In this tutorial, this is just one sheet, but there could be many more. So we select the worksheet that we want to unhide again and click on OK. And as we can see, the worksheet is visible again. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.